how to receive promo notification in the Starbucks app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to receive promo notification in the Starbucks app so you never miss out on discounts, special offers or seasonal drinks. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Starbucks app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that, you can simply scroll down and tap on settings. And after that, you simply have to tap on the notification and make sure that the push notification are turned on, because this allows the app to send you alerts for promotions and new deals. And if you still aren't getting alerts, you can check your phone notification settings by simply going back to the home page, and after that simply long pressing on the app icon, and from the pop-up menu simply tap on app info. And here, once you're inside the app info, simply scroll down and tap on the notification. And here, make sure that the notification options are enabled. And here, with that, you can also head to the starbucks.com/account/settings to make sure that you are opted in to receive promotional emails too. And that's it. Now you're all set to receive all the latest Starbucks promotion. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.